Yeah, hi Bhavya. Now in this part, I'd like to ask some questions about yourself. Do you work or are you a student?
Um, I graduated recently, but I'm not working currently because of the COVID situation. But I have a lot of work experience.
Okay. Why did you choose the subjects you are
I chose the subject because I was really interested in these when I was already in school, and I never got to cook much. So when I got the opportunity to go ahead in this stream, I totally took the opportunity, and that's why I pursued my studies in culinary arts.
Okay. What did you like about your college building?
Um, my college building was very nice. It was divided in two sections. The one section for hotel managers was different, and the other one for culinary, having great kitchens. They were different. Each segment for students where we could sit and where we could stand and cook. And also we were building a new culinary building which was of 3 stories, and it was excellent.
How much time do you spend on campus a week?
Um, I spend almost 6 days in a week in my campus. Like I said, I'm in hospitality industry, so uh, I have to get my physical body into my course. So that is why I need to spend as much as time I can to gain as much as knowledge as I can.
Okay. How much work do you do at home?
So at home, I do not work as much as I work in college because at home we all get lazy. But I definitely help my mom, and my parents always look forward for me to cook something that I have learned before. But it takes a lot of practice, and it's very different to cook at your home than you do in a professional kitchen because ingredients and the way you cook is very different.
Okay. What would you like to change about your course?
And I do not want to change anything in my course. I really enjoy my course, but there is one thing that I would like to add up, that for management students, they can always work in the kitchen, but as far as culinary, we do not get the exposure of drinks or the way people work in restaurants. So if I was asked what I can include in it, I would totally say that culinary students should also be a part of hotel management course as much as they are into culinary.
Okay. Let's talk about healthy lifestyles now. How often do you find time to relax?
Um, in a day, when I'm working in a day, I would say 2 hours. I get to relax for 2 hours, but when I'm not working, I have almost whole day for me because I try to relax as much as I can because my working shifts are very long.
Okay. What's your ideal form of relaxation?
So I really like to watch television. I have some specific series I'm really interested in, and I always enjoy it with a glass of wine. Plus, I like to play badminton with my neighbors. It's a very good form of relaxation, and also sometimes I listen to music or go for a evening walk.
Okay. What activities did you do as a child to stay healthy?
As a child, I was studying in a boarding school, so I would say my diet was pretty healthy because in a boarding school you have a proper time for all your meals, and your supplements are very chosen by the nurse in your hostel. So my diet was very good. I used to make sure I get a glass of milk at least twice a day, eat fruits in the middle, and play sports.
Okay. How healthy do you think your diet is and why?
Well, at this time, I would say my diet is from a scale of 1 to 10. It's probably 7.5 because I'm not currently focusing much on my diet. I haven't made a chart, but anyhow, my mom cooks at home, so I only prefer homemade food. I do not order from outside or go and eat street food. Even if this situation of the COVID situation was not there, I really like eating homemade food to keep healthy. So I would say it's good.
Okay. What's your favorite snack between meals?
I don't do much snacks because I eat wholesome food. But if I'm feeling hungry, I would eat some nuts like almond or cashew nuts, or I would eat a banana. However, I prefer not to eat meals in the middle because then I feel very bloated, and that is why I skip the snacks part.
Okay, I'd like to talk about outer space now. What aspects of space and space travel did you study at school?
I didn't study much about space, but people who were interested in this had an opportunity to go to travel to USA to the NASA Space Center in Houston, and I participated in that. So my personal experience for space was going to NASA Center.
Okay, what do you think you can see through a space telescope?
Well, there we had a 3D telescope. So when you would look through it, it was a different. Like it was above beyond a point of imagination, because when you see through a normal telescope you can't really make out what I saw through a 3D telescope. It was almost like I was standing in middle of the galaxy and I could look around me.
Okay, what news articles have there been in your country about space travel?
I haven't studied much about articles in my country, but apart from that, if you talk about, like I said, I'm really interested in watching movies. So there was this movie which I recently watched from space called Mission Mangal. It really inspired me, and it was very exciting. My whole family was watching it together, and I would say that Bollywood should focus on making these kind of movie that would inspire the young generation.
Okay, would you rather see a documentary about space or a science fiction film, and why?
I would see a science fiction. It's because we tend to put our focus in something that is almost not true because it's more fun, and fictions are of course a kind of imagination, which have not happened in reality. But again, we really enjoy it more because we haven't seen it in reality. So that is why fiction is my favorite kind.
Okay, do you think you will ever take a holiday on the moon? Why? Why not?
I would love to take a holiday on the moon if I got the opportunity to do it. So, like I have before, there are some actors who've been buying lands in Mars, which was very surprising for me. But if that is true, then I'm pretty sure in the coming future there will be more technology where we could just plan a family holiday to the moon.
Okay, thank you.